Good day, folks. Here we are at the BC Vintage Truck Museum once again. We've got a nice assortment of rides that came to participate in our Saturday opening. Located in 6022 176th Street, Cloverdale, BC. We're open Wednesdays and Saturdays from 10 to 2. I'm going to do a little walk around, show you some of the sweet rides that are here. This thing is a beast. I made a video of it a few weeks ago. The startup last week, actually. It is a real thumper. So well done. It is a beast. And of course, the classic pickup truck. And over here we got a 1926 Chevy.
Brand new.
Brand new. Top of the line.
99 years old.
This one is a one of a kind. The vent windows in the back. Custom upholstery. Personalized steering wheel. And this is a functioning, running truck. The description we got is a Chevrolet 1926. And this beauty is a Ford, 31 Ford. He's a real gem. Here we got this nice Valiant. This was also showcased a few weeks ago. She's a sleeper because this thing's sweet. Bucket seats. B100. I think it's 64 or 65 Valiant. Nice. Of course, the Impala SS. Oh, the little details of the new car driver emblem on it. I may be old, but I still get hot, so don't touch me. Love it. He's got every trinket and gadget. I love all those touches that he's put on this side. Love the blue too. The little subtle pinstripe there. Isn't that nice? And of course, just in case you need to wash your hands, you can turn on the faucet, clean them off, and go back to work. There's a horn. New driver, of course, yes. '31 Model A. These are all running driving vehicles, all driven here on their own accord today.
What, you want to buy it?
I'm just doing a little video here of all the cars here today.
Yeah, well, here, how about this Impala? You can turn it into a lowrider.
Excellent. Well, think about that. This was the car we showcased last week, the aluminum block. Convertible. Very rare. Cutlass. All right, there you have it, folks. Come on down to the BC Truck Museum, see some of these rides. Please like and subscribe if you like these videos. I'll be posting more as we go along. Thanks for watching. Bye now.